Hey guys, so I'm still wearing my sports bra, my shorts and whatnot, but I am gonna be doing a box opening of this birthday gift I got from Sephora. So this would be the only time I would get, stuff from Sephora because Sephora's expensive, okay, y'all? Like, I've never had like anything from Sephora because it is expensive, so. And this was like me redeeming my birthday gift. And I had to spend like $25 or more to get the gift. So, ow. Oh my gosh. I'm like excited here. So I'm actually gonna set y'all up for a bit till I open the box. I don't want to show you guys my address. So, I'm like really excited here, y'all. Really, really excited. See if that's enough to rip the box open. There we go. Yeah, open the box. Okay. So, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So, here is my free birthday gift that I chosen. So, it is the Youth to the People. And this is like the Beauty Insider birthday gift. So, I'm gonna open this up real quick. And then, so it comes with this moisture cream. Comes with this moisture cream. And then we have this cleanser right here. This is the kale and green tea spinach vitamins superfood cleanser. So we got that, which I will use, but probably not today because I do have to work. And then we also got a little free sample of this Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask with vitamin C and the stuff right here. So that was my birthday gift for the Beauty Insider birthday gift. Well, one of them at least. There's like a few others, but I chose that one. And then I also bought this sleeping mask right here, which is popular all over TikTok. I mean, they did have like the cotton candy, but the cotton candy was sold out because that's the one that I specifically saw on TikTok. That was viral. So, I'm gonna open up this box. Oh, and it comes with a little thing in there too. Oh my gosh. So it comes with this, this is a sleeping mask. Let's see how it's supposed to smell. Ooh. Oh, this is the sweet candy scent. So it smells really good. So there's that. Got this right here. And last but not least, again, it did come with this thing right here. So put that. And the last thing I did get was this lip balm, this drunk elephant product. So this is the lip balm right here. Let's see. I was like, I don't want to destroy it. Like, there's like no scent to it, but we'll try it out right now. So, Drunk Elephant Lip Balm. So that is pretty much what I got for my birthday. from Sephora. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ooh, I know my face is a mess because I just ate lunch. But drunk elephant. And I think later tonight maybe we can try this lip sleeping mask. So anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy it. I do have to get dressed for work in about an hour, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching this awesome birthday video. Make sure you press subscribe, like, and the bell icon so you can watch my videos. And here is some member shout outs. We only have one member. It's Stay Puffed 698. Thank you for watching my videos and becoming a member.